What if I told you that the secret to a smoother, stronger, and longer-lasting engine isn't a new car? It's a bottle you can hold in your hand? Today we're diving straight into the engine additives that actually work, the ones trusted by mechanics, loved by enthusiasts, and proven to breathe new life into your ride. Whether your engine's seen 100,000 miles or you just want to keep it running like new, these are the game changers you need to know about. Stick around as we count down the top contenders and see which one could be your engine's next best friend. If you want more insider automotive tips, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe so you never miss a beat. Let's roll right into the action. Here are the engine additives that deliver real results. This isn't just a fuel system cleaner, it's a deep cleanse for your engine's veins. Techron uses powerful PEA or polyether amine chemistry to break down carbon deposits on fuel injectors, intake valves, and combustion chambers. That means smoother idling, restored power, and even improved fuel economy. It's safe for most gasoline engines, including hybrids and small engines, and won't harm sensors or emissions equipment. Think of this as a precision strike against stubborn carbon. It works in both gasoline and diesel engines, cleaning injectors, valves, and combustion chambers. Users have reported better throttle response and, in some cases, a noticeable bump in fuel mileage, sometimes up to 2.4 miles per gallon. Just add one can to a tank and let it work its magic. Just don't overdose. This is the armor for tired engines. It thickens oil just enough to reduce engine noise and oil burning, especially in high mileage cars. It can extend oil life by 50% and is known to quiet down noisy engines. But be careful, it's not for new engines, as the extra viscosity can slow oil flow where tight tolerances are needed. This additive creates a microscopic, pressure-resistant shield on engine parts, slashing friction and wear. The result? Quieter starts, better efficiency, and a shot at longer engine life, especially in older engines. It doesn't settle or break down under heat, and while some oils already have Moly, this boosts the effect. Diesel engines need lubricity, especially with today's ultra-low sulfur fuel. This additive restores that lost slickness, boosts cetane for better combustion, and can improve fuel economy by up to 7.3. Many users report quieter, smoother running diesels and a couple extra miles per gallon. A legend for a reason, Seafoam dissolves sludge and varnish inside your engine. Pour it in your gas tank to clean fuel injectors or in your oil to break up sticky deposits. It's especially good for older engines that need a little TLC and can even stabilize fuel for storage. This classic works as both a fuel and oil additive. In the oil, it keeps lifters and rings clean and can help free up stuck parts in older engines. In the fuel, it helps clean the system and reduce sludge, though some prefer Seafoam for deep fuel system cleaning. Here's a fun fact. Did you know that the right fuel system cleaner can restore lost horsepower and even help your car pass emissions tests? It's like giving your engine a fresh start without a wrench in sight, saving the most dramatic for last. A.T.S 205 Reseal. If you've got an older car leaking oil or power steering fluid, this additive can stop leaks in their tracks by rejuvenating tired rubber seals. It's been the unsung hero for many drivers, saving them from expensive repairs and keeping classic rides on the road. Before you pour anything under the hood, here's what you need to know. Engine additives can be game changers, but only when used wisely. The real magic happens in high mileage engines or when tackling stubborn issues like carbon buildup, oil consumption, or leaky seals. But here's the kicker. The wrong additive, or even the right one used incorrectly, can turn that $20 miracle into a $1,000 mistake. Always follow the manufacturer's guidelines. Some additives are too thick or too chemically aggressive for modern engines, potentially clashing with tight tolerances or advanced emission systems. It's not one size fits all, and your engine's health depends on that distinction. From fuel system fixes to oil-saving legends, these bottles aren't just hype, they're battle-tested solutions. But the line between a fix and a failure is thinner than you think. So here's the question: which additive earns a spot in your toolkit? Tell us in the comments. We're all wrenching our way to better engines together. If this breakdown helped you decode the additive aisle, drop a like, share it with your crew, and subscribe for more deep dives into the heart of your ride. Tap the bell so you never miss a moment under the hood. Because this isn't the end, it's just another turn in the ignition. We're unlocking the world of cars, one vault at a time. See you on the next ride.